Hi guys, so today we're going to be trying this science experiment. Okay, so I saw this experiment and I didn't actually believe it, so I want to try it by myself to see if truly it works or not. So the thing is that I'm going to blow this balloon and I'm going to put the balloon on fire, and it won't burst. Okay, so I'll be trying it. So before I go straight into the main experiment, I would do the normal way. So I'm just going to blow this balloon and put it on top of this fire. So yeah, so I'm just going to move back a bit. Oh. Okay, so now down to the main experiment. I'm going to blow this balloon and I'm going to add water to the balloon. So the balloon is not actually supposed to burst because the water inside is meant to absorb the heat. So let us try it and see. First, I'm going to add water to the balloon. Okay, just going to. So I think that is enough. So now I'm going to blow the balloon. Oh, I don't know if the water is enough. So I'm just going to add more water to it. Sorry, I'm just going to add more water to it because I don't know if that water is actually enough. Okay. This should be enough. Okay. So I'm going to light this up again. Okay, so let us try this. Let me clean the water on the balloon. I'm scared. Okay, so let us try this. Wow, it's really not coming. It's really not going to burst. Ooh. Are you for real? It's working. Wow. When I saw this, I didn't actually believe it because I'm like, nah, balloon, and it's not possible. But guys, oh, it's actually working. Should I put the balloon on the fire? I don't know. Is it not going to burst? Let me try putting it on top, direct. Anyways, thanks for watching. Now you know, and now I know that when you put water inside balloon and you put the balloon close to the fire, it's not actually going to burst because the water inside can easily absorb the heat. But when you put it on top, like when you put the balloon on top of the fire directly, like on top, it's going to burst. Or when you put it sideways, like the place the water is not reaching, it's actually going to burst. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.